Hello guys. This is an EAS adaptation of the 2007 action drama film Anna's Storm, where Anna's hometown of Cottonwood is threatened by meteorite showers. Please note that the EAS tones are real and valid, so Thunderbirds 501 isn't responsible for false activations. Anyways, let's begin.
This message has been requested by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. A string of meteorite showers is expected to strike the western half of the United States within the next few hours. While exact locations are unpredictable, it is presumed that most of these meteorite showers will be focused on the state of Colorado. All residents of the western half of the United States within the radius of this broadcast are asked to seek shelter at this current time, preferably in a room on the lowest floor, with no windows. Remain in your shelter, as it is not known when these meteor showers are expected to end. Repeating, all residents in the western half of the United States that are within the radius of this broadcast are asked to seek shelter at this time. Please stay tuned for further updates.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.